Hey riders, welcome back to your favorite channel, Crazy Biker, where we bring you the latest and hottest updates from the world of motorcycles. Today's news is big, really big. Honda has officially launched the all-new 2025 Honda CRF 450R, and it's a beast that's ready to dominate the dirt once again. If you're a motocross lover or off-road enthusiast, you're going to love what Honda has done with this bike. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete performance revolution. A complete redesign for 2025 Honda hasn't just added a few new stickers or minor tweaks this time. The 2025 CRF 450R has been completely redesigned from the frame up, everything from the chassis, engine tuning, suspension, and ergonomics has been re-engineered to make this one of the most competitive off-road bikes on the planet. The frame is now lighter, but even more rigid, improving handling while reducing rider fatigue. This makes it perfect for intense races and demanding terrain. Power-packed engine, more torque, better response. At the heart of the 2025 CRF 450R is a 449.8cc Unicam 4-stroke engine. Honda has refined the power delivery for smoother throttle response and stronger low-end torque, giving riders more control in tight corners and steep climbs. With revised ECU mapping, the engine now responds more sharply, allowing for powerful launches and consistent power through every gear. Whether you're clearing triples or grinding through whoops, this engine is ready. Showa suspension, built for battle, the 2025 model features a Showa 49mm coil spring fork in the front and a ProLink rear suspension system. The setup has been specifically tuned to handle aggressive off-road conditions, delivering both comfort and control. From hard-packed dirt to deep ruts and rocky climbs, the CRF 450R soaks up impacts like a pro, giving you the confidence to push harder every lap. New exhaust and advanced cooling, Honda has redesigned the exhaust system to optimize performance and create a more aggressive, race-ready sound. It's lighter, better positioned, and helps improve overall engine output. Additionally, the new radiator shrouds and enhanced cooling system ensure the engine runs at optimal temperatures, even during long motos or in hot weather. No more overheating issues holding you back. Improved ergonomics, ride like a pro. The 2025 CRF 450R is built to make the rider feel in control at all times. The seat, handlebar position, and foot peg alignment have been adjusted for a more natural, aggressive riding position. The bodywork is slimmer, allowing better grip with the knees and smoother movement around the bike. Whether you're standing or seated, the ergonomics make it easier to attack corners and land jumps with precision. The electronics that work with you, Honda, has included smart features that elevate the CRF 450R beyond the competition. You get HRC launch control, 3-level traction control, and a revamped engine mode select button, EMSB. These tools let you customize the bike's behavior depending on track conditions and your riding style, from soft mud to hard packed dirt. One button press adapts your bike for battle, lighter than ever, faster than before. With a curb weight of around 110 kg, approximate 242 pounds, the 2025 CRF 450R is lighter than its predecessor. This weight reduction translates into faster acceleration, improved maneuverability, and more control over jumps and tight sections. Less weight also means reduced rider fatigue during long races, so you stay sharper and faster all the way to the finish line. Honda Racing DNA. This is more than just a dirt bike, it's a machine forged in the fires of Honda Racing Corporation, HRC. The same team that dominates MXGP and AMA Supercross has poured its expertise into the CRF 450R. Every nut, bolt, and curve on this bike reflects Honda's racing legacy, making it a trusted choice for professionals around the world. If it's good enough for the champions, imagine what it can do for you. Price and availability. The 2025 Honda CRF 450R is launching at a starting price of $9,699, 0 cents USD in the US. It will also be available in select markets across Europe, Australia, and Asia in the coming months. While no official word has come for its arrival in Pakistan or India through direct dealers, enthusiasts can expect imports to start appearing later this year. Final verdict from Crazy Biker. So what's the final word? According to Crazy Biker, the 2025 Honda CRF 450R is a serious upgrade that shows Honda is not messing around. It's lighter, faster, smarter, and more responsive than ever. For anyone serious about motocross or extreme trail riding, this bike is a top-tier contender. It's not just built to ride, it's built to win. Subscribe for more. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Crazy Biker, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow riders. We've got more hot launches and deep dive reviews coming your way soon. Until next time, ride fast, ride smart, and stay crazy.